Welcome back to Warzone Workshop. Quick unboxing, or unbagging I should say. And then a conversation about that item. And I got AK stuff all over the place. I got drums galore all over the place because of the video I'm filming for AKs. Oh my gosh. Gun skins, not on my watch. Okay? Don't even think about it. No comments about it. None of that. I'm not putting any waifu skins on any of my stuff. Ignore anything that makes you think that I might want to do that, because I don't. I definitely don't. But yeah, that is a video that I'm working on right now for AK stuff. I'm not a fan of side-mounted optic rails, but mostly because I like to put my optics as far forward as possible. So it is what it is. Now to this. Picked this up on eBay because came to an agreed upon price. I'm a cheap person. Okay, here we go. Some Magpul pulls. I love Magpul pulls, and I want them on all my traditional GI style magazines, especially my gas magazines, because if you drop said gas magazine, that little rubber buffer at the bottom of it might mean the difference between your magazine being saved, or rupturing your magazine, breaking it, denting up all of it, and being out of magazine, which has gone up in price, I think, but hopefully that doesn't affect my massive collection of them. Magpul pulls. I cannot tell you enough how many times I see people with Magpul pulls, and oh gosh, sometimes they are stiff. And they run them thinking it's totally okay, like this. Oh, because now I can pull it in and out of my plate carrier super smooth. No, that is not okay. Because now, if you're a traditional mag slapper type of guy, you got this weird flimsy floppy rubber thing at the bottom, and you know, putting back and forth strain on rubber is never good, so you don't want that. Plus, it doesn't look appealing. And if the magazine is super stiff in that pouch, pulling on that's just gonna pull off the Magpul, and then you're left with a magazine that's somehow stuck inside your pouch. In which case, I would recommend getting a better mag pouch, like some of the Balistyka products that I'll be linking. They go really well with every magazine I could possibly think of. But I prefer to run the Magpul all the way down, like this. As far down as it'll go. It still gives you plenty to grip onto. Even with gloves, you can still put a finger under it if you need to. But the grip itself, how strongly it grips onto that magazine, is more than sufficient. Unless you got some ridiculous gorilla strength on your mag pouch. That's what you need. See, it should look like a well-fastened diaper on that magazine. I just realized what it looks like. It totally looks like a diaper. I just ruined it for myself. But it looks good. See, and then I prefer to take and decorate some of them with like 300 blackout. You know, put a little mag band up on top of it. And it functions really well. And most rifles do not have a mag well that will go down that far. So on full size, or traditional 30 round magazines, it's fine. Now, I'm always in the market for more of these because of my extensive collection of WeTech gas magazines, of which I have more. Oh God. And I need pulls for them. So, if you're selling pulls and you see this video, or if you have pulls and you want to sell them, you can work on a price. Just DM or comment, put down your eBay listing or whatever, so I can get to it. Hopefully, pick them up, especially if the price is good. Doesn't matter what color they are to me. Green, tan, black. I prefer them to not be black because most of my magazines aren't black, but I do have a bunch of tan mags, and the black ones look fantastic on that. So let me know. AK mags, I can fit the 5.56 NATO ones onto AK mags. They are really tight fitting, but it just looks so good having a Magpul on that. So let me know. But then the black is just a little bit too, hard to see, especially on camera, and in person. Like, sometimes it gets lost. But the green looks fantastic. Pretty sure they make tan too. I don't have any tan ones. Pretty sure they make tan though. Yeah. I'm also a fan of the Magpuls for the P mags. I have quite a few of them. My KWA mags enjoy them quite well. But that's, oh man, this was supposed to be a quick video. I hope you enjoyed my my little rant on Magpuls. Yeah, and I'm interested in getting more. If anyone knows where I can get them at a great price, drop a link down below. Thank you, and see you next time in the War Zone.